Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tires for your Nissan Rogue that are available on the market today. We've done the research so you don't have to, and we'll be breaking down the features, performance, and value of each tire. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the countdown. Starting off at number 5, we have the Velospinner 19-inch machined black OEM design wheel. While technically a replacement wheel rather than a tire, this product makes the list because of its exceptional compatibility with the 2017 to 2020 Nissan Rogue models. The sleek machine black finish gives your Rogue a bold, modern look, and the direct fit design ensures a straightforward installation process. This wheel is built to comply with OEM standards, meaning it matches factory specifications for load capacity, radial performance, and impact resistance. The 19-inch diameter is perfect for those looking to upgrade from smaller wheels for improved handling and a more aggressive stance. However, it's worth noting that this is a single rim, and additional components like lug nuts and TPMS sensors are not included. While the Velospinner wheel offers durability and style, its biggest downside is that it's not a tire. If you're looking for a full tire and wheel package, this might not be the best fit. However, for those who need a high-quality replacement or want to build a custom tire setup, this wheel is an excellent choice. At number 4, we have the factory wheel replacement aluminum alloy wheel in 18 by 7 inches by Generic. This premium replacement wheel is designed specifically for 2017 to 2020 Nissan Rogue models, offering a direct fit solution for those who need a dependable and stylish wheel upgrade. Its machined and charcoal gray finish is understated, yet elegant, matching the OEM design perfectly. One standout feature of this wheel is its strength. It's been rigorously tested to meet the highest industry standards for durability and impact resistance. Additionally, the 5x114.3 bolt pattern and 35mm offset ensure a seamless fit. However, like the Velospinner, this is a replacement wheel only. You'll need to purchase tires, TPMS sensors, and other components separately. On the bright side, it comes with a 2-year limited finish warranty, which speaks to the manufacturer's confidence in its build quality. This wheel is ideal for anyone looking to replace a damaged stock wheel without compromising on performance or aesthetics. The only downside is that, as a single rim, it's not a complete solution for buyers looking for an all-in-one tire package. But if you're piecing together a setup, this wheel is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3, we have the Fullway PC369 all-season radial tires. This set of 4 tires is designed for trucks and SUVs, making it a great option for the Nissan Rogue. The all-season performance ensures reliable traction in a variety of weather conditions, from dry roads to light snow. The Fullway PC369 features a symmetrical tread design, which provides even wear over time and a smooth, quiet ride. With a load capacity of 1,874 pounds per tire and a 4-ply rating, these tires are built to handle the demands of everyday driving. While the tread life isn't specified, the UTQG rating of 380 AA suggests a decent balance of tread wear and traction performance. These tires are an excellent budget-friendly choice for Nissan Rogue owners who prioritize all-season performance and durability. However, The all-season performance ensures reliable traction in a variety of weather conditions, from dry roads to light snow. With a load capacity of 1, they don't include any advanced features like circumferential grooves or deep sipes for extreme weather conditions. For most drivers, though, the Fullway PC369 offers great value and dependable performance year-round. These tires are built to handle the demands of everyday driving. While the tread life isn't specified, the UTQG rating of 380 AA suggests a decent balance of tread wear and traction performance. Number 2, we have the Firestone all-season passenger tire. This tire is specifically engineered for coupes, sedans, CUVs, and minivans, and it's a great fit for the Nissan Rogue. One of its standout features is its 65,000-mile limited treadwear warranty, which gives buyers peace of mind about longevity. The Firestone all-season tire excels in wet and dry conditions, thanks to its circumferential grooves that channel water away from the contact patch. This design improves wet traction and reduces the risk of hydroplaning. Additionally, the tire's deep siping adds extra biting edges for enhanced grip in light snow. Firestone has also tuned the tire for low road noise, ensuring a quiet and comfortable ride. While the Firestone all-season tire is slightly more expensive than other options, its durability and year-round performance make it a worthwhile investment. The only minor drawback is that it's better suited for moderate climates and may not perform as well in heavy snow or extreme off-road conditions. Still, for most Nissan Rogue drivers, this tire is a dependable choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the landspider citytraxx HT all-season radial tires. If you're looking for the ultimate balance of performance, durability, and value, these tires are a top choice for your Nissan Rogue. This set of 4 all-season tires is designed for highway use and offers exceptional grip and stability. What sets the landspider citytraxx apart is its asymmetrical tread design, which provides superior traction and handling in both wet and dry conditions. With a high load capacity of 2,149 pounds per tire and an impressive maximum pressure of 80 psi, these tires are built to handle heavy loads and long highway drives. The UTQG rating of 480 AA guarantees excellent treadwear and traction, making these tires a long-lasting investment. While slightly more expensive than budget options, the landspider citytraxx offers premium performance that's hard to beat. It's perfect for Nissan Rogue owners who prioritize safety, comfort, and durability in an all-season tire. The only downside is that it's designed primarily for highway use, so it might not be the best option for off-road enthusiasts. Overall, This is a fantastic choice for day-to-day and long-distance driving. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this comparison helpful in choosing the best tires for your Nissan Rogue. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. And if you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Until next time, drive safe and take care.